This video will show you how to remove the stock front bumper on all 2015 through 2023 Mustangs.
So the first step to our install here, we're going to need the trim panel removal tool. We're going to go ahead and remove this plastic radiator cover here. There's a bunch of push pins that hold it in, and then we'll remove some hardware underneath. Now with all those out of the way, we can go ahead and remove that cover. And with that out of the way, you can see these 8mm bolts right here. There's 6 of them. We're gonna remove those as well. Now there is one thing you don't want to miss while we're up here. It's right underneath of this weather stripping. Phillips head screw, one on either side right in front of the headlight. So that's all the work we're going to do on the top for now. We're going to move underneath. We're going to get rid of this splash guard, but first we need to disconnect it from this wheel well liner, held on by a couple of push pins. There is one right here that's a little bit tough to see. You can see the back of it right there, and then we're going to hit the last one right here. Now we can actually remove the hardware holding on the splash guard. There's a bunch of 7mm bolts underneath here all along this leading edge. There's 2 right here in the middle and then 4 across the back. We're gonna get those all out of here. And with those 4 in the back removed, you can go ahead and slide this back just a hair. That should drop right away from the Mustang. Now we can go ahead and unplug our fog lights and turn signals. There's 1 plug down here for the fog light, and then 2 up at the top for the turn signal. Now we can hit the same thing for the other side. Now the next thing we're gonna remove is a little bolt here behind this fender. I do believe this is the hardest part of the uninstall, but it's really not even that bad, just requires a little bit of extra work. It's basically gonna run from the fender and into the bumper to secure these 2 together. The easiest way that I've found to get at this is that you could pop a couple clips in the fender liner if you need to. And we're just gonna peel this back a little bit, and I'm gonna hold that there like that while we come in here with the ratchet to get that out. And there's the bolt, runs through just like that. Now with that removed, we can go ahead and grab this lip here, and that bumper is just gonna pop right out, and you can clearly see that screw is gonna go right there, and it basically hooks into this little hoop part of the bumper, which is broken on ours, but there's no need to break that on yours. Just get that screw out of there, pop that out, you're good to go. So now this bumper is ready to come off. All we're gonna do is push up to release it, and we're gonna pull it right off of our Mustang. Now we can't bring this bumper over to the dumpster just yet. We gotta get our turn signal out of here, and to get that out, we're gonna have to remove this black plastic piece. It's held on with a bunch of 7mm screws. Now we can go ahead and pop that loose. You can see the turn signal is still held to that with these three, so we're gonna remove those as well. And you can see that the turn signal fell away right there, and then we can pull the two apart.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Mustang, keep it here at AmericanMuscle.com.